Hello, good day. My name is Daniel Martinez. I'm a student of Philippine Christian University. My course is Bachelor of Science and Hospitality Management. Before we start of our activity, may I know your name and your company name, and how long have you been being a manager of your company?
Sure. My name is J.R. Urbano, and I have been working at Turks for 10 years. And also, I have been a manager for 4 years. Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, so let's proceed to question number 1 po. Can you share an experience where you successfully navigated cultural differences within a team or with clients in the tourism industry? What strategies did you use?
At Turks, I work with a multicultural team serving international tourists, and a misunderstanding happened between a Korean guest and a local staff member. Due to cultural etiquette, I stepped in and explained both sides and used visual menus and polite gestures to resolve it, and also suggest a cross-cultural communication training to avoid similar issues in the next future.
Okay. Question number 2 naman po. How do you think multicultural diversity impacts the customer experience in the tourism sector?
At Turks, diversity allows us to better understand and serve guests from different countries. Staff who speak multiple language or understand different cultures make tourists feel more comfortable and appreciated.
Okay. Next question. What step do you take to ensure inclusivity and respect for cultural differences among your team members?
In my team members, I encourage open communication and organize cultural appreciation days, and support management in creating a respectful workplace where every team member, no matter what their background, feels heard and valued.
Question number 4. Describe a situation where cultural misunderstanding occurred in your workplace. How did you handle it? And what was the outcome?
A Turkish team member misunderstood Filipino co-workers' indirect way of saying no. I mediated and explaining the cultural differences in communication. We agreed to speak more clearly and check for understanding. The team relationship improved after that.
Next question. Question number 5. In what ways can a tourism company leverage cultural diversity to enhance its services and competitive advantage?
Turks can attract more global customers by hiring multilingual staff, offering menu options or services inspired by different cultures, and promoting inclusive branding. This sets the company apart in a competitive tourist market.
Right. Let's proceed to question number 6. Question number 6. How do you stay informed about different cultural norms and practices relevant to the tourism industry?
I regularly read tourism blogs, follow industry news, and interact with tourists and colleagues from other countries at Turks. I also attend training sessions and watch online cultural awareness videos.
Question number 7. What role do you believe language plays in managing multicultural diversity in the workplace? And how do you address language barriers?
Language is vital at Turks, especially when serving foreign tourists. I promote the use of simple English, help translate when needed, and encourage staff to learn basic phrases in other languages to create a better guest experiences.
Question number 8. Can you discuss any specific policies or programs you have implemented to promote multicultural diversity in your previous roles?
At Turks, I suggested to create a cultural corner to recognize different team members' traditions each month. And I also help in organizing mini trainings to focus on respecting customer and staff diversity.
Question number 9. How do you approach training and development to ensure all employees are culturally
Competent.
competent, and sensitive?
Regarding for that, I support training that includes role-playing with tourist scenarios, watching cultural awareness videos, and open discussion about values and etiquette from different cultures. I believe practice and mindedness are the key.
Last question. What do you consider the biggest challenges and opportunities in managing a culturally diverse workforce in the tourism industry today?
For that question, the challenge at Turk is communication and misunderstanding due to different habits. But the opportunity is huge. We can offer a unique experience by blending a global hospitality with local warmth, which makes guests remember and recommend us.
So, we're done. Thank you po. Thank you po sa pagpapa-interview. Yun lamang po.
So, thank you.
Thank you po.